Solving the F2L cases where you have the edge and the corner in the same slot can be quite difficult to solve, and usually you end up doing a lot of moves. So today I'll be showing you the best way to solve them. First we have this case where you have the white sticker facing you, and what people will normally do is take out the pair, and then pair it up, rotate, and insert. Now generally you should try and avoid rotations, and there's a really nice rotationless way to solve this pair. So it goes like this: white R, U prime, white R prime, U2, white R, U, R prime, and then you just insert the pair. Next we have a similar case to the previous one, but instead you have the white sticker facing here to the side, and normally people would just take out the pair, rotate, and solve this like that, but you can actually do the inverse of the previous alg. So what you do is you take this pair out with R, U prime, R prime, and then you do white R, U prime, white R prime, U2, white R, U, R prime. So just think of it as take out the pair like this, pair it up like that, U2, and then insert this block again. Next we have this case here. We have the corner is solved and misoriented edge, and what people normally would do is take out this pair, rotate, and solve it. But what you should do here from this angle is a sledgehammer, and then solve this case normally. So R, U prime, R prime, U, then you solve this case. Now you can also do this, so R2, U2, F, R2, F prime, U2, R prime, U, R prime, but I think it's just not as ergonomically friendly, and you might lock up or something, so I think it's just better to do sledgehammer or U spam.